Today we will do exercise 4F, estimation. In chapter 3 we have done estimation and we have added. In this exercise we will estimate the number to nearest 10, 100 or 1000, whatever it is given, and then we have to subtract. So we have added, now we have to subtract. Only the thing is estimation. So in this exercise there will be revision of estimation also and subtraction also. So you will write today's date, eight 7 2020, exercise 4F, page number 67. Question 1 you will copy down. Estimate the following by rounding off to nearest 10. Question number 1. 7892 minus 5685. Now we have to estimate to nearest 10. So we will see the number at ones place. So here is 2 which is less than 5. So no need to change the number at tens place. So the new number after estimation is 7890. Similarly here we can see at ones place 5 is there. So we have to increase the number which is at tens place, that is 8. 8 will become 9. So here 5690 we will write. Now we have to subtract. Here you will write rounding off to nearest 10. Now we can use the right side of your page for doing rough work. So here we will write the number which is at first on the top and the number which is at back at the bottom. Now we will subtract. So this is the required answer, 2200. So we will do question number 2 and 3 like this only. Now we will do 2 number. Estimate the following by rounding off to nearest 100. Now we have to estimate rounding off to nearest 100. So we will copy down the question. 3851 minus 1873. So we have to estimate to nearest 100. That means we will see the number which is at tens place. Here is 5 and here is 7. So here is 5. That means we have to increase the number which is at 100 place. So the number will be 3900 minus. Here is 7. Again we will increase the number. So 1900. Here we have to write rounding off to nearest 100. So again we will use the rough page. So the answer is 2000. Now we will do question number 3 first. Here 2 more questions are there, so you will complete like this only. Now question number 3. Estimate the following numbers to the nearest 1000. So we have to estimate to nearest 1000. So we will copy down the question. 4560 minus 3240. So here we can see that here is 5 and here is 2. So this will become 5000 minus 3000, because 2 is less than 5. So this number will not increase, which is at 1000 place. Here in the bracket we have to write rounding off to nearest thousand. You can use the rough page. So the answer is 2000. So we can do 2 number and 3 number as. Now question number 4. In a panchayat election, so we are familiar with election. So in election or during election, voting is there. So the winning candidate obtained 8,356 votes, while the defeated candidate polled only 2,183. So there were two candidates, one was winning and one was defeated. So the winning candidate votes are given and the defeated candidate votes are given. We have to find out the difference, but here we can see estimate the difference in their votes to nearest 100. So we have to find out the difference after estimating it to nearest 100. Find also the actual difference in the vote pool for them. So here is two question. First we have to find out the difference and then we have to find out the actual difference. So like this we will write number of votes of winning candidate. So it is 8,356. Now number of votes of defeated candidate, that is 2,183. Now we will find the difference. So here is 3. Now we will do the next question, that is estimating the number to nearest 100. This is for the winning team, winning candidate. So here we can see that 5 is there at 10th place. So we will increase the number which is at 100 place. So 3 will become 4. Again estimate to nearest 100. So defeated team. Oh, defeated candidate. Now team is not there. There is no match. There is voting. So candidate. So here we can see 8 is there. So we have to increase the number which is at 100 place. So 1 will become 2. Now we will find out the difference. So we have completed question number 4. Now question number 5. You will copy down the question. School A has 3,756 students while School B has 2,356 students. Estimate difference in the number of students in these two schools to nearest 1,000. Find if it is same as the actual difference of the number of students of each school. So again we have to find out the actual difference and the number the difference after estimating. So number of student in school A, number of students in school B. Now we have to find out the difference. So 0, 0, 4, 1. Now estimate to nearest 1000. School A, school B. So here we can see that 7 is there, so we will increase the number which is at 1000 place, and here 3 is there, so no need to. Now difference. So we can see here 1400 is there and here is 2000. So we can see that the number after estimation is not same by the actual difference. So this is the question which was asked. So you will complete or copy down up to question number 5, exercise 4F in your notebook.